If your GoDaddy domain is showing a parked page instead of your website, don't worry. This is usually a DNS or hosting setup issue, and it can be fixed in just a few simple steps. In this video, I'm going to walk you through exactly how to fix the parked domain issue in GoDaddy so your domain points to the right website and starts loading correctly. If this tutorial helps you, please take a second to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tech fixes just like this. Let's jump right in. First, sign into your GoDaddy account. Once you're inside, go to My Products. This is where all of your domains and hosting services are listed in one place. Under the Domain section, find the domain that is showing the parked page and click on it. Then open DNS or Manage DNS so you can check the records that control where your domain points. Now look for the A record. This is one of the most important records because it tells your domain which server to load. If your A record is still pointing to a parked domain or an old default address, your site will keep showing the parked page. Replace that value with your hosting IP address. If you're not sure what your hosting IP is, you can usually find it inside your hosting dashboard or from your hosting provider's welcome email. Next, check for any parking records or default A records. If you see anything labeled as parking or anything that clearly looks like a GoDaddy default record, remove it. These records can override your correct setup and keep the domain stuck on the parked page. After that, make sure the only active record is the one pointing to your real hosting server. Now go back to your GoDaddy products page and under Web Hosting, click Manage. This takes you into your hosting control panel. From there, open cPanel Admin. Inside cPanel, look for the Domain section and confirm that your domain has been added properly. If the domain is not listed there, the hosting account may not know where to serve your website from, which can also cause the parked page problem. Once that's checked, go to File Manager and open the public_HTML folder. This is the main folder where your website files live. If you already have a website built, upload your files here. If you're using WordPress, this is also where you would install WordPress so your domain can display the correct site content. Without files in the proper web root, your domain may continue to show a placeholder or parked page. After everything is updated, give the changes some time to propagate. In many cases, the fix works within 5 to 30 minutes, but sometimes DNS updates can take a little longer depending on your settings and provider. Refresh your site after waiting and check again in an incognito window if needed. That helps make sure you are seeing the latest version and not an old cached page. If you followed all of these steps, your GoDaddy parked domain issue should now be fixed and your website should load normally. The key things to remember are point the A record to the correct hosting IP, remove parking records, make sure the domain is added in hosting, and place your website files in public_HTML. If this video saved you time, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss more quick tutorials like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.